Hi everyone, my name is Ksenia, and if you're here, you're probably interested in sustainability, zero waste, minimalism, and mental health. So today I wanted to discuss the zero waste tips for beginners. If you're new to zero waste, maybe try checking out my other videos about zero waste. I just want to preface this saying that you don't have to switch immediately. I think it's not sustainable to throw away what you have and start using zero waste alternatives. So please finish everything that you have, declutter, and then continue gradually buying sustainable alternatives, zero waste, vegan, and cruelty free. Here is the list of easy zero waste swaps that you can make. One of the things is using a block of soap instead of liquid soap. It's just as good, it's just as effective against the viruses, so try this. Another thing that I'm a big proponent of is using cornstarch as dry shampoo. I used dry shampoo from a can or spray before, but then I realized that cornstarch does the work just as well. If you have a little bit darker hair, you can also mix cornstarch with some cocoa powder on the darker hair. It will smell like chocolate, so if you don't mind it, it's very nice. And of course, some of the easy stuff is to switch to block shampoo and block conditioner. I personally don't use conditioner. I feel like shampoo is enough. Another easy bathroom swap is to get a bamboo toothbrush instead of a plastic toothbrush. My most favorite zero waste swap is get a menstrual cup if you have period. I really recommend it. It's really worth the investment. I made a whole guide on how to start using, how to take care of it, and how to insert and take it out. I will link it down below, I guess, as well. For the kitchen, for washing the dishes, instead of a plastic sponge, you can use loofah sponge, so a plant sponge, or instead of a plastic brush, you can use a bamboo brush. Another easy swap to make is to use beeswax wrap or vegan wax wrap instead of aluminum foil or plastic bags to preserve your food. I really love this swap. I actually prefer vegan wax because it's kind of more sticky, and I feel like it just holds the any kind of fruit or vegetable very well comparing to the beeswax wrap, which is softer. I also make my own dish soap. I just grate Marseillais soap or regular hand soap, add some baking soda to make it less fatty, and then add water. I have a reel about this on Instagram. I can link it down below as well. Another thing that you can do is to stop using plastic trash bags for compostable trash. I now use some sodas that I put in the bunny toilets at the bottom so that all the moisture soaks in that. And then I just line it with paper, so use a paper bag made of old newspapers or carton, or for example if you order something online it probably comes in a carton box, so you can tear up the box and line the insides of your container with paper. For the all-purpose cleaner is also an easy swap for that. You can use a little bit of water with vinegar, and then you can spray it for the window. You can also use it to clear the mirror. It smells slightly as vinegar, but it goes away, evaporates very quickly. But if you're concerned with the smell of vinegar, you don't really dislike it, you can just put a small drop of essential oil that you like, and then the liquid will smell nicely. think this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please mention what kind of zero waste swaps have you already done or are you willing to do. Well, was there anything new for you? Please let me know. And as all YouTubers and vloggers are supposed to say, please like and subscribe.